Hey guys, are you guys surprised about this Galaxy S20 FE? Same as me. So today I'm going to talk about this phone, give you some opinion, some facts, and should you get this or should you not get this? So let's get the video rolling. So before I start this video, feel free to subscribe, share, and like this video, okay? And I will give you more updates for your smartwatch, your smartphone, and your tablet. So Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, is this right for you? I would say yes, it's gonna be right for you. If you're an Apple user and you want to try out Samsung phone, this is gonna be right for you. Only $699 US, you can try out our S20 FE flagship phone. This flagship phone is going to be very similar than the Note 20, but they are including SD card. They are including different color as well too. And you can try out our cameras, you can try out our power share, you can try out our 120 GHz refresh rate, which the new iPhone will not come out with the new refresh rate as well. However, if you are already Samsung fans, but you have A series and you want to go for a flagship phone, but it's because it's so expensive nowadays, even S20 is go for $999 with no 120 gig refresh rate, I would go for S20 FE with $699 US with all these little features they offer and with SD card as well. With $699 with power share, great cameras, you can choose your color, 256 storage with SD card slots. What can you ask for with $699 US outright? So this Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is not a bad phone. Alright, this is my short summary for you. If you like this phone, go for it. It's gonna be good for you. Subscribe my channel, share this video, and have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye. Peace out.